Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kidna. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe if you into manifesting with journals or need some law of attraction tips, manifesting tips. You are in the right channel. And also, before I start the video today, I want to give a big shout out to all my new supporters, all my new subscribers, and all my subscribers combined. Thank you so much. This channel has grown, guys. Thank you so much for your support. All right, guys, in today's video I'm gonna do a special personal story video that someone requested. I'm not sure if they want me to shout out their name, but if you requested this video, you know who you are. Please comment if you want me to shout out your name next time. But it's a personal journal, personal story. The person wanted me to share with y'all guys of what have I manifested in my life. I have a couple videos, y'all guys, if y'all want to see. One is manifesting my 2 boys, and my other manifesting is my husband. But this one, I'm gonna share with y'all guys how I manifested a trip to Orlando at the Ritz Carlton Hotel for 3 days, free food included, fun time with my husband. It is amazing. And I have the journal that I wrote it in. I don't know if y'all guys can see it. It's kind of tiny, but I got a little dot next to it. But I'm gonna read it to y'all guys, okay? It says, thank you for I'm excited for the Orlando trip. That's all I put, guys. Thank you for I'm excited for the Orlando trip. Thank you for I'm excited for the Orlando trip. It was amazing. Like I said, I had fun. The Ritz Carlton, oh my God, it's just a luxury hotel. It was amazing. I had the spa, breakfast, dinner, lunch served to my in the room, and it was free. We didn't have to pay for nothing, guys. It was amazing. So I wanted to share that story with y'all guys. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all want more stories of what I've manifested with my journals or any tips, and also check out my store. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and share the video. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.